Hello and welcome to Saxon Lesson 32, all about probability. Now you'll notice that here on the screen in front of you I have P is equal to FAV outcomes divided by POS outcomes. In this case, probability is equal to the favored or what you're looking for outcomes divided by all the possible outcomes. That being said, let's look at an example. Okay, example number one is a weird line. Let's actually not have example number one be a weird line. Let's take a look at sample number one here. Okay, as you can see, let's say we have a number cube. They can call those dice as well. If you were to roll the dice, how many different numbers are on there? Well, the answer there, of course, is 6. So you know that there are 6. Let's say you want to roll odd numbers. So how many odd numbers are on a dice between 1 and 6? Well, that would be 3. So the probability of rolling an odd number would be 3, what you're looking for, over 6. And then you would reduce that to 1 over 2. Let's do number 2. Let's say, for example, you have something that you might want to roll a number cube and see about getting even. Well, actually, let's make it harder. What if you wanted to roll a 6? That would be a 1 over 6 because there's only 6 per there's only 1 6 every number cube. And you want to roll a 4 immediately following. Well, how many 4s are on a number cube? 1. Now, still out of 6. So what you do to find the probability of rolling a 6 and a 4 is you multiply these. So what's 1 times 1? That should be pretty straightforward. 1. And 6 times 6 is 36. Now you might be wondering, why don't I just do 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6? Because when you do probability, you have to multiply it. Just get used to that thought, okay? Let's see. I think we have, okay, one more to take a look at. Let's say you're looking to roll a 1 or a 2 in a number cube, okay? So a 1 or a 2, either one, would give you 2 out of 6. That's your probability. Now, there's something that's called the opposite of that, and in this case, the opposite of your probability is 4 over 6. So while you have a 2 out of 6 probability for rolling what you want, you have a 4 out of 6 probability for rolling what you don't. Okay, that's kind of like the reciprocal kind of an idea. Okay, this is lesson 32, 1 through 20.